सुप्रभातं छात्राः, स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयम् अष्टम्यां कक्षायाम् अष्टमं पाठं संसारसागरस्य नायकाः इति पाठस्य अभ्यासं पठामः। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः अस्य पाठस्य अभ्यासः आरब्धः। तत्र अस्माभिः उपपद विभक्तिषु अस्माभिः पाठः अभ्यासः स्थगितः आसीत्। उप नाम समीपं, पदं यदा समीपे एतत् पदं भवति तत् निर्दिष्टा विभक्तिः एव प्रयोक्तव्या भवति. As we have discussed, we have stopped the exercise in the upapada vibhakti exercise. That's what we are going to do now. Fifth exercise we have completed. Sixth pratyas also we have completed. We are in the seventh exercise, that is upapada vibhaktayah. What does it tell? Upa, as I have explained you, upa means samipam. Padam, yada samipe etat padam bhavati, then you have to do. See, that's what, whenever you are there, if you see anybody, you may wish very differently. Good morning, hi, bye. But when you are in the Sainik school, when you are in the khaki uniform, what we say? Beret, belt, shoe. These three things. When these three things are there, you are not supposed to say good morning. Good morning. You have to properly salute, is it? When these three things are there, you have to do like this only. That is the rule. Like that, Upapada Vibhakti is also like this. When this word is there, you have to do like this. You can behave as you wish in home, but when guest will come, you will not behave as you are behaving earlier. Like that, these words can be used as you wish, but when certain words are there, you have to use the particular vibhakti. That is what yesterday I have given you the list of all the vibhakti: Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami vibhaktayah. Yata, we have seen Dvitiya vibhakti. Dvitiya vibhakti should be used when the words paritaha, paritaha, ubhayataha, prati. I have given you the list of the words, but here the examples are there. You can see here this paritaha. When paritaha word is there, we have to use Dvitiya vibhakti. Paritaha means surrounding. Sainika Vidyalayam Paritaha. Kridanganani Santi. You should not use Sainika Vidyalayasya Paritaha. No. Sainika Vidyalayam Paritaha. Bhojanalayam Paritaha. Sadanani Santi. Gramam Paritaha. Vrikshaha Santi. Kandukam Paritaha. क्रीडकाः भवन्ति. कृष्णं परितः गोपिकाः भवन्ति. So परितः, उभयतः, सर्वतः and dik. These are all the words we used in these sentences. When these words are there, Dvitiya Vibhakti only should be used. Yatha, udaharanam pashyamah. Vidyalayam paritaha vrikshaha santi. Around the school, trees are there. Everywhere around the school, trees are there. Dash ubhayataha gramaha santi. Ubhayataha, both the sides. Ubhayataha means both the sides. So what should you use? Grama word is given. So grama can be used in any vibhakti, but what should you use here? Gramam. Dvitiya vibhakti. You should use gramam ubhayataha gramaha santi. Then anantaram kha asti sarvataha attalikaha santi. You know attalikaha? Attalika is in those days kings were there. If you see the Bijapur in the Shivaji Chowk, one elevated place will be there where the soldiers will be always having waiting for the whether the enemies are coming or there. They will be seeing. That is called Attalika, height place. Hmm? So like this, Nagaram Sarvataha Attalikaha Santi. Attalika. Huh? In Kannada also we say Atta. Atta means height. Attalikaha Santi. Dik. Dik means shame. Dik. Down. Hmm? Dik Kapurusham. Dik Kapurusham. Dik ka purusham. Always you remember that if su is used in Sanskrit, that is good. If ka or ku is used, bad. Putraha is there. Suputraha, very good son. Kuputraha, very bad son. Shankaracharya tells that Kuputro jayeta kvachidapi kumata nabhavati. There may be a bad son on the earth, but there will not be bad mother on the earth. It is told by Shankaracharya. Dik. Dik means down, shame. Shame on the bad people. Kapurushaha means bad person. One famous shloka is there. Hmm? Uh, just dik word comes, I am quoting that shloka. यां चिन्तयामि सततं मयि सा विरक्ता साप्यन्यमिच्छति जनं सजनोऽन्यरक्तः अस्मत्कृते च परितुष्यति काचिदन्या धिक्ताञ्च तञ्च मदनञ्च इमाञ्च माञ्च. Last word, last line, listen. धिक्ताञ्च तञ्च मदनञ्च इमाञ्च माञ्च. See, everywhere. Diktam, diktam, dik madanam, dik imam, dik mam. Shame on me, shame on you, shame on the lust, shame on him. I would like to, shall I tell this story? This is the story taken from Bhartruhari. Bhartruhari was a great king. Here, I have explained you many times when I am telling about the Subhashitas. Bhartruhari has written 3 centuries. Niti Shatakam, Vidya Nama Narasya Rupamadikam, what you have studied, no? That is called Niti Shatakam. That is the century of morals. Then second one is Shrungara Shatakam, the romantic century. Vairagya Shatakam, detachment century. 3 centuries he has written. He was a king. Once one Rishi comes and tells him, I have brought a very tasty fruit. After doing so many yagnas and this fruit I got it. Whoever eats this fruit, he will be always healthy and always energetic and always active. So, you are the king of the country. I would like to give this fruit to you. Then the king accepts the fruit. After taking the fruit, he thinks that I love my wife the most. So for me, my wife should be always fine and she should be good. And he gives that fruit to the queen. Then he explains what is the speciality of that fruit. Then queen was very happy and she accepts it. Then when the king goes away, she presents that fruit to a soldier. The soldier takes that fruit and he finds it is so good because queen was in love with that soldier. Then king takes that fruit and he gives to the queen. Then queen accepts it and gives to a soldier. Then the soldier goes and gives to his lover whom he was loving. Then finally, the lover of the soldier comes to the king once again and she returns the fruit to the king. My dear king, I love you so much. That's why I am presenting this fruit to you. So, this is like a circle. Then Bhartruhari, who was a king, he feels this love doesn't have any meaning because he is rotating the love. No, finally it has come to you. That's why he tells that Yam Chintayami Satatam, whom I always think, Mai Savirakta, she is not interested in me. Sapyanyam Ichchati Janam, she likes somebody, but whom she likes, no, he is not interested in her. Asmat krute cha paritushyati kachidanya. Somebody like us, but I am not in love with her. So that means this love is rotating. It is not the both the sides. That's why he tells shame, diktam. So shame on her, shame on queen, diktam. Diktam cha, shame on him who did not accept the love of the queen. Dik Madanancha, Dik on the God of love who created the love. Dik Imam, Dik shame on this lady who is loving me even though I don't love her. Madanancha, Imancha, Mancha. Shame on me because who I love, she is not in love me. Somebody is loving me, I am not in a position to love her back. So that means shame, Dik. So in any strikes are there, we will say no dikkara, dikkara, down, down. That is called dik. Shall we move further? All of you understood? So paritaha surrounding, ubhayataha both the sides, sarvataha everywhere. Sarvataha paritaha same meaning, but the words are different. Again now we are coming to the tritiya vibhakti. When saha, samam, sardham, alam, very very important is alam. When these words are there, then we have to use tritiya vibhakti. Tritiya vibhakti. Mruga mrugai sangamanu vrajanti gavascha gobis sudiyas sudibhi murkascha murkhaihi samanashila vyasaneshu shakyam. So cows always move with the cows. Horse run with horses. Like that, good people will move with the good people. Bad people will always move with the bad people. Because in English also we say no, birds of same wings fly together. If your taste is same, you will be together. So saha means with, sardham, samam, this means with. When these words are there, we have to use tritiya vibhakti only. Yatha mrugaha mrugaihi saha dhavanti. अनन्तरम् अस्ति बालकाः डैश् सह पठन्ति. कः वदति उत्तरं? बालकाः डैश् सह पठन्ति. हाँ वदतु. बालिकाभिः. Yes, बालकाः, बालिका, तृतीया विभक्ति, but you have used it in plural form. You can also say, if the boys are studying with one girl, you can say balakaha balikaya saha patanti, balakaha balikabhyam saha patanti, balakaha balikabhihi saha patanti. So according to the situation, you can write. All three are correct. I hope you understood. Next, Ashitoshaha. Putraha dash saha apanam gacchati. So
पुत्र पित्राभ्याम सह अपनम गच्छति.
See, my dear Ashutosh, general knowledge is also very important when you see, no? See, you can study with single girl, you can study with two girls, and you can study with many girls. But father will be only one. Okay. So pitrabhyam iti na bhavati, pitrubhihi ityapi na bhavati, pitra saha apanam gacchati. Is it? He moves with his father. Okay? Don't mind. Good. Next, Ghanashyamaha vadatu. Shishuhu dash saha kridati. Matra saha. Very good. Shishuhu matra saha kridati. Ghanashyamaha dash saha patati. Ashutosh.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, घनश्याम स्टडीज विथ आशुतोष.
Sir, Ghanashyam,
Hmm.
Ashutosh Saha Patati.
With Ashutosh, you should use only Tritiya Vibhakti.
घनश्यामः आशुतोषैः सह क्रीडति.
How many Ashutoshs are there? Only
Sir,
one
one.
Ashutosh is there, no? Ghanashyamah. Tell Akarsha. आशुतोषैः इति बहुवचनं, तस्य एकवचनं किं भवति?
Sir, Ashutosham.
आशुतोषः, आशुतोषौ, आशुतोषाः, आशुतोषम्, आशुतोषौ, आशुतोषान्. तृतीय एकवचने किं भवति? करेक्ट.
आशुतोषात्.
हाँ, आशुतोषात् पंचमी विभक्ति.
आशुतोषेण.
आशुतोषेण. रामेण, रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः, बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः, आशुतोषेण सह लिखति. एकं वाक्यं कः वदति? आकर्ष, भवान् एव वदतु. सर्वे छात्राः डैश सह विकल्प संख्यां लिखन्तु. उत्तर. Shall I repeat once again? सर्वे छात्राः डैश सह विकल्प संख्यां लिखन्तु. उत्तर. In the bracket, uttara is there. It is the instruction for your monthly test.
विकल्प संख्या तो सर
Vikalpa means optional number. सर्वे छात्राः डैश सह विकल्प संख्यां लिखन्तु. वेरी इजी. उत्तर इत्यस्य तृतीय विभक्ति किं भवति? शोभन.
उत्तरेण.
उत्तरेण. सर्वे छात्राः उत्तरेण सह विकल्प संख्यां लिखन्तु. What is the meaning?
All students are writing with the answers.
All students.
All students have written answers with the options.
Please write answers also along with the options. It is for your monthly test. So only 20 questions are given. If you write A, B, A, B, A, B, I will not give you marks. If you are failing, then only I will consider the A, B options. Okay. Please write the option number with answer. Option is important for the exam. I will consider your answer only. I am a language teacher. For me, answer is needed, not the option. But we have to move with the rules and regulations of CBSE. Option should be written. But for me, your answer is very important. I will check whether you have understood or not by the option, by writing your answer. It is my kind request to all of you. Please write the option number and answer also. Please tell to your friends in your contact. This is very, very important. And all of you, please write in a single sheet. Sometimes what is happening, many of you, I feel very pity on you, that many of you, one section is missed. That's why you have got 40, 42 like that, because your 5 marks is not come in the PDF. Some one main question of the 5 marks that is not there in your PDF. So I am not responsible. So if you write in the single sheet, you will get full marks. Please follow
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yes. इदानीम् अग्रे चलामः. एवम् अभ्यासः समाप्तः अस्ति. भवन्तः जानन्ति एव. अत्र दत्तमस्ति कारकं किं भवति, उपपदविभक्तिः किं भवति इति भवन्तः पठित्वा ज्ञातुं शक्नुवन्ति खलु. कारकं, कारकं नाम किं? कर्तुरीप्सितं कारकं. कर्तुः यत् अभीष्टं वर्तते